get going. Gotta catch those runners taking off like a Boeing. If the volume spikes, then it's time to trade. Mighty 90 setting up, it's time to get paid. Dr. Chad on the mic, time to get focused. We don't need any indicator, hocus pocus. It's all about the price, just watch it move. Manage your risks so you don't lose. First hour of trading is all we need. Focus on the patience and forget about greed.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. It's Thursday, February 6th, 2025. Dow futures up 91. NASDAQ futures up 14. S&P futures up 17. So S&P the strongest. VIX down 1.25%. 15.58. So getting down there, getting some pretty thin premiums. NVIDIA up 2%. Coinbase up a little under 1.5%. Got Amazon earnings today. Roblox had earnings this morning and it's down almost 20%. Ouch. That hurts. And there is the bell. Morning, Adrian. Morning, JG. Trading the Mighty 90, Volume Runner, and Continuation Runner. Stocks coming down here a little bit. NVIDIA coming down, was really strong pre-market. Coinbase pushing up. MSTR coming down. They're kind of they usually are synced together. Yeah, a lot smaller short strikes here than there was yesterday. Morning, Ken. MU pushing up, AMD pushing up. AMD just went green. Coinbase really pushing up. Yeah, I want to push up in coin. AMD and MU with really big push up while Nvidia comes down. Well, 10-point range on this bar in MSTR. S&P at 6075. Tesla coming down weak again. The LTR with a little push up. See what type of volume we get here on this second 5-minute bar. Boy, Nvidia, really strong pre-market has come all the way down. It's threatening going red. May look to get short Nvidia. Not seeing any strong volume here yet. Nvidia's bar is about halfway there. Does not look like we're gonna get any volume runners. Less than a minute to go. Yeah, no volume runner in Tesla. Yeah, PLTR is pretty close here. Might get there. Yeah, no, Uber's not going to get there. Yeah, so PLTR got there. See if gives us any pullback. Not much of a pullback. We always use the option chain closest to zero for these strategies. Coinbase pushed up, came all, and now it's come all the way back down. Wow. Yeah, Nvidia is still coming down. Apple ripping. Coinbase pushed up all the way back down to lows, through lows. MSTR down. AMD has come all the way back down. Like my QCOM broken wing butterfly for earnings. Gonna be a loss. MSTR with a potential mighty 90, or it could get as big as the first. So it could be a downside volume runner. I have to see where it finishes. It's got less than a minute. It's like it's going to be a mighty 90. I think it's going to get there for a downside volume runner. Well, maybe it is going to get there. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on MSTR. That bar's right about the same size as the first one, so it's like a looks like it could be a downside volume runner. They're close like that, and you know they kind of go either way. And they usually don't play them. S&P, nice little rebound. Now pushing up. Almost. I mean, MSTR, it's kind of looking like it wants to come back down. Meta pushing up. Apple still ripping. Yeah, looking at coin for a short push down. It's having trouble popping up. It did have this bar a little bit bigger than the first, but that's still not a very, I mean, that it's not really very good mighty 90 long. I keep my eye on that one. I guess Microsoft had a mighty 90 short. Pretty strong. think I'm going to get short coin here on the 277.5 puts. Filled at 495. I would close half at 550. Filled at 550. Let's still push down there. Now, if it can flush through lows, it's kind of popping back up now. It's all right. See if it. Yeah, I kind of wanted to do like what Tesla did. Tesla kind of popped up and then went down through lows. It's kind of what I'm looking for here from coin. If I remember right, Tesla struggled yesterday too. Yeah, I was looking at this Mighty 90 in Microsoft. It did give one red bar already. Probably would have easily gotten out of half at Microsoft here. You kind of see with them this Mighty 90, it's not the best volume pop between these two green bars, but it did have a nice price push to go with it. Gotta watch coin close because it's definitely one of those stocks that it could move fast. I would close another coin at $6. No green out of PLT, or I'm sorry, no red out of PLTR yet. I got a feeling coin's going to reverse here. Just kind of hoping to get out of another one before it does. And no red out of PLTR, just ripping. Nice push up by Meta and Nvidia. Built at $6 to get out of another coin. PLTR with another big green bar. Get out of another coin at 650. Good down through lows of day. I did 6. I usually do roughly around $3,000 in buying power, give or take $500. It depends what it's priced at. This was easy math, being at 495. If it doesn't go through lows of day here, I'm probably gonna get out of it. Like see it go through lows of day. I've only got 2 left. I don't want those 2 to eat into my profits. If it was gonna bounce off lows. Build at 650. Nice. It did get through lows. Got 1 left. Very nice. Downside continuation runner. Tesla staying weak. Apple push up now consolidating could be a potential long. I have an order at $7 to get out of my last coin. I might just close it. Hit that. Oh, down goes Hood. Coin coming down to yesterday's close. One more little push, get me filled. Filled at 7:05. Very nice. Very nice downside continuation runner. Doesn't happen like that all the time where you scale out to where you're gone. Coin has a little bit of a mighty 90 long now. See, I was looking at getting long Apple here. On the 235 calls. Built at 99 cents in Apple. Definitely get a better fill than I got. I close half at my first profit target, Moel, always. So I close half and then I just get out of one at each 10% profit target. Dow and verge of going red. Now Amazon through lows, Tesla through lows. I want Apple to hold on here. Boeing ripping up. Darn it. Apple's come down further than I wanted it to. Needs to bounce. Need to bounce. Apple, come on. Wow, hood really melting down. What a meltdown in hood. Good out in coin. Yeah, Netflix had a nice Mighty 90 short. I missed that one. PLTR holding up. Had earnings last week and then it's come down a little bit, trying to pop back up now. S&P coming down through lows. Yeah, Tesla, I was considering downside continuation there. Did not get in it, unfortunately. I'm not quite sure. Something's pulling the market down here. Probably Tesla. All right, if Apple doesn't bounce here, I will get out of it. Yeah, that bar is bigger than I wanted. I guess maybe Meta should have been the upside continuation runner I took over Apple, but when I got in Apple, I mean it was strong. Yeah, Meta popping back up, trying to get up to highs of day. See that coin Mighty 90 would have worked. AMD with a Mighty 90 long. Jump in some AMD here. Looking at the 110 call in AMD. Built at a buck 36. See, I'll put AMD over here so you can see it. I would close half at a buck 50. So nice volume separation here. And it's even come down even more past it. So nice little snapback by Hood. Man, PLTR Ripping. Nice reversal on highs of day now in Meta. That's what I need out of Apple. I got to order $1.50 to close half my AMD. Another big bar in PLTR. All right, Apple, time to rip up the highs. Looking for 2 green bars consecutive out of AMD. Build it $1.50. Close half my AMD. Now, can AMD give me a second green bar before it comes back down? Gets weak again. Goog up through highs of day. Come We're gonna order at $1.65 to close another AMD. Come on, Apple. Keep going. Man, Apple just can't get up to highs of day yet. Nice green bar in Tesla. Yeah, AMD looks like it might want to make another run lower. So hopefully it gives me a little bit of green here. Pop up, I'll get out of it. Or it could really rip up and get, hit a few profit targets. Yep, Boeing is going higher. Apple coming back down. Don't like it. Darn it. I thought Apple might be going to highs of day there. See if it stays above yesterday's high. Mm. AMD coming back down. I was worried about that. Meta was the play over Apple. Oh, the LTR still going. Looks like it might have just hit all-time highs, maybe. All right, so Apple is not playing nice. If it breaks through yesterday's close, I will cut it. AMD, I'm going to go ahead and close it. It's kind of teeter-tottering on green bars, two green bars. Yeah, it's going to give me my second green bar here. Sold at $1.57. It's a nice mighty 90 there. So the only thing I'm left is this Apple trade. It's pretty underwater in. It's just not bouncing with the rest of them. Ugh. All right, closing Apple. Bad price action that was. Built at 61 cents. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna jump off here. It's getting close to 9:30 Central. I can start focusing on TLC. So hope everybody has a good day, and I will see everybody during Power Hour. Peace.